Hey, this is Jessica Green with the sales team in collaboration with Edna Sells, and on a new episode of Jessica the Fixer, I am here talking about my new airless paint rig and painting a room. This is part of a video series that I'm doing about just average DIY or home improvement, handyman type things. Obviously, if you have a suggestion, be sure to shoot it out in the comments. But what I'm going to be doing today is using my paintless air sprayer to paint this room. This is an average paint sprayer from Lowe's. It is the Magnum Project Painter Plus True Airless. It took a little bit of a learning curve to get it all hooked up and get it going, but once I did, it was actually pretty easy. Obviously, the cleanup is very important, so make sure you read the instructions. Safety issues. Okay. So I am using a latex-based paint, which means that I don't have to have a face mask. I just have to have a window open. I did not put paper on that window because I was looking for a little bit of extra light. I'm not wearing safety goggles because I don't like them. But that is something to think of. Obviously, if you are somebody who likes to wear safety goggles or you wear glasses, you're going to get paint specks on your eyes. Not your eyes, on your lenses. Anyway, so I'm going to go through and let you see how I paint this room. Is that this is a paint shield. I use that for painting up by the ceiling. I'm not very good at it, as you can tell, but I'll get better, and because progress is better than perfection. Anyway, so this is how I paint a room. I'll probably have to go over it with a second coat. So again, another episode of Jessica the Fixer. And as the immortal Red Green would say, if the man can't find you handsome, they can at least find you handy.